Alrighty. Forgot to hit the more button. There they are. Powder coated, sandblasted, powder coated. Everything works. It's the show and go door handles. So it can be done. Couldn't find any online that were already black, so ripped them apart. I wrapped the springs and the buttons up in aluminum foil just to try and keep some of the heat from the oven off the spring. That seemed to work fine. So yeah, there's the show and go black door handles now. We were trying to match this. He was able to find the door locks. That's pretty close. So there it is. Show and go. Won't have no shiny chrome on the outside. So yep, that's it. Like, subscribe, share. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's figure out what I'm going to shoot a video on next. So see ya.